Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to follow someone in Tango. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Tango application on your phone. Make sure you have logged to your account. Now tap on the Explore button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the search bar and then enter the username of the person that you would like to follow. Now tap on the search icon. When you see the person's account, tap on their profile and open their profile page. Now, in order to follow someone in Tango, just tap on the follow button with plus sign on it. And that's it. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.